I'm gonna teach you how you can get rid of neck pain for good in 4 steps, and we're gonna start right now. Let's go. Hello everyone, Michael here from Forever Aesthetic. I am here to help you get rid of neck pain for good. There are 4 components to alleviating neck pain, and I'm here to let you know what they are. So before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any videos that can help you feel better in your day. All right, let's get to it. Component number 1, roll your muscles. Rolling your muscles will help you reduce tension and flush toxins out of your muscles. The suboccipital muscles, scalene muscles, and trapezius muscles are often tight when you're experiencing neck pain. Follow along as I show you how to quickly release tension from those muscles with my trusty foam rolling tools. So I have 2 of my tools here with me. We got the rad roller and the rad rod. These guys are gonna help us. Let's get into it. All right, next we're gonna be releasing our suboccipital muscles that lay at the base of our skull. I'll put a picture here on the screen so you can see exactly where that is. So we're just going to place the roller in position here. And I want you guys to take some nice deep breaths, just trying to relax. You're gonna spend about 30 to 60 seconds just allowing your muscles to compress on the roller. We wanna take long breaths in, long breaths out, about 3 seconds in, 4 seconds out. Just try to relax as much as you can. Next, we're gonna be releasing the scalene muscles that run alongside of the neck. So we're gonna take our rod here, we're gonna come around the back, and we're going to roll it out. Feel free to look at the screen for a diagram to see those muscles. We're gonna go up and down 20 to 30 times here before we switch sides. Next, we'll be targeting our trapezius muscles that lay right here. We're targeting the upper traps. We're gonna place this roller right here. We're gonna lift up, placing it between the spine and the shoulder blade. And we're just gonna relax the shoulder down to the ground, relax the head down to the floor. And then we're gonna take our hand out to the side, and we're just gonna go up and down. Breathing in and out. I want you to spend about 30 to 45 seconds just going up and down, ironing out that tension. Feel free to keep your hand anywhere it feels tight. If you want to spend some time at the top, that's fine. Spend some time on the bottom, that's cool. All the way out to the side, that's fine as well. Just try to reduce some tension in that muscle. Once you feel it start to relax a little bit, we can move on. All right, now that we've learned how to roll out those problem muscles, it's time to move on to the next component, component number 2, which is flexibility. Tight neck muscles contribute to neck pain. So in order to help manage that pain, we need to stretch out these muscles. We've already covered this topic in another video, so make sure you stick around to the end of this video as there'll be a link linking you to that one. Okay, on to the next component. Component number 3, strengthen those weak muscles. Weak muscles tend to build up knots and tension much easier than strong ones. Weak muscles also contribute to bad posture, which will keep you in chronic pain. Strengthening these muscles will help pull your body into proper alignment, which will help alleviate that pain for good. So let's get into an exercise routine designed to eliminate that pain. We have 5 exercises. We're gonna rest anywhere between 15 to 45 seconds between sets, and let's get into it. So for the purposes of saving time in this workout, I'm gonna post the amount of reps and sets you're going to do in the video, so make sure to follow that. We're only gonna be doing a couple reps of each move just to show you guys how to do it. Exercise number 1, we have chin tucks. We're gonna be working our neck muscles on this one. We're gonna put our shoulders back. We're gonna duck our chin down to our chest. And then from here, we're just going to lift up in a diagonal motion. And we're gonna hold that for 5 seconds. Now we're just gonna relax it. And we're gonna come back up and hold and squeeze for 5 seconds. So for the next exercise, we have band pull aparts. We're gonna grab a light to medium resistance band. We're gonna grab the band here, keeping it at chest height, shoulders in the back pocket. We're gonna keep the chest up as we squeeze our shoulder blades together to pull the band apart. We're gonna control it on the way back, and we're gonna squeeze up right here. Control it on the way back, keeping the chest up, shoulders back, and we're gonna squeeze right here. Breathe in and breathe out. All right, exercise number 3 is external band rotations. So we're gonna put shoulders in the back pocket, elbows are pinned to the body, keeping the chest up and chin tucked. We're gonna pull apart as we control, returning to starting position. And we're gonna squeeze and we're gonna pull apart again. So we're keeping our chest up here and pulling apart. Exercise number 4, shoulder shrugs. For this one here, we're just gonna keep our shoulders back and down, keeping the chin and chest up, and then we're gonna raise our ears to our shoulders as high as we can, keeping that core nice and tight, just remember. And we're gonna hold it here for the prescribed amount of time, and then you're gonna relax and repeat. And now for exercise number 5, the last move, one of my personal favorites. It's called YTWs. Very, very good for fixing posture. We're working on the stabilizers. So we're gonna get started here. Shoulders in the back pocket, core tight, feet are wider than hip width apart. We're gonna come all the way up. We're gonna make a nice big Y, squeeze into the back of our shoulders. We're gonna hold here for 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna come out wide for a T. And then we're gonna squeeze even harder back together, shoulder blades together. 3, 2, 1, and we're here. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, in that W to finish. Once you're done, you're just gonna come down and you're gonna go back up and repeat. So make sure to perform this workout 4 to 6 times a week for about 4 weeks to see major improvements in pain, posture, and energy levels. All right, so we've covered components 1 to 3. On to the next component number 4, which is aerobic cardio. Aerobic exercise, also known as cardio, helps increase blood flow and loosens up muscles in the neck and upper back. After 30 minutes of aerobic cardio, your body releases endorphins, which are known as the body's natural painkillers, which can help reduce neck pain. Aerobic exercise can be done every day. Some good forms of aerobic exercise are walking, running, and biking. If you prefer to use a machine, you can always hop on a treadmill, elliptical, or stationary bike. Feel free to vary the intensities and the types. After all, the solution to fixing our pain is changing our lifestyle, so it is a perfect time to experiment and see what type of cardio can keep you moving and keep you motivated. If you currently do aerobic exercise, I would love to know what is your favorite form of exercise. Please comment down below and let us know. Maybe you can help motivate the next viewer. If this video helped you, please support our channel by pressing like on this video and share it with somebody who could use it. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you do not miss out on any content that will help you in the future. I hope you guys all have a blessed day. I hope everyone's feeling much better, and I hope this video helped you so you can hit those dance moves and you can get back to moving like you used to. Ha! Ha! And I'll see you next time.